Hi everybody, I'm Elisa. I travel in my 2021 Toyota RAV4. If you're new here, thank you for being here. Right now, I'm at a Walmart parking lot. I'm gonna go in there and get some things, mostly avocado. Oh no, no ripe avocados? Oh look, a wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tubeman. We're still in Florida. We're gonna go to Silver Springs for 2 nights and we'll see what happens.
At the next light, turn left.
Okay. So mossy. We are here. This map has so much, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna be here long enough to see the whole thing. Ah, it's way back there. No problem. Heavy. Somehow I can reach. What else do we need? Surprisingly, everything's kept pretty dry. Well, 100% dry up here. I'm worried it's gonna start raining. So this is probably a good time to get it done. All you do is step here and pull. This is perfect. Table and we're gonna do that. We're gonna use this chair and this table. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
Good morning. I slept so well last night. I'm feeling a lot better. I was pretty tired. This is my morning routine. Right out of bed. Okay.
My laptop fits right here, so I can hide it under my bed and no one sees it unless they go like this and they look. And yeah, I'm really showing you what it's like to wake up in your car in a beautiful campsite. My fan, it is a lifesaver. I love this fan. It works all night, keeps me cool in a hot summer day. And then my little curtains did a good job. This is where I keep all of my kitchen supplies. So my little stove, we need a spoon, a lighter, I just worked for a few hours and now I'm ready to go on a hike. We need to do it all, so let's go. Okay, it's time to make some decisions. We have many options. We have 2 sides. We're gonna do this today and then we're gonna do this tomorrow. This looks like a little bit more fun because as you can see, there's a lot of water, which water equals more fun, just prettier. Anyway, but today, this is probably backwards. Yeah, it's backwards. Whoa, look at this guy. I'm not the best example to follow. When you go on a hike like this, get some bug spray, get some bear spray. It's okay, we'll be okay. Let me look it up and see what I'm supposed to do if I see a black bear. Okay, it says, don't run, back away slowly, make noise, scream if the bear is approaching. What else? Play dead if the bear attacks you. Cover your neck to protect vital organs. Sounds fun. Look, I'm definitely not the best example to follow when it comes to safety sometimes. So I'm still an example, I'm just a bad example. Sometimes, if you're lucky, you will get to see a monkey. It's pretty interesting how things change in the South Florida, the Keys, Miami, those areas. You'll find a lot of palm trees, beaches, swamps, and then you come to central or northern Florida and you find all these jungles. It almost looks like a tropical jungle. This is pretty slippery. There was a sign that said slippery, so they're not lying. You see that? Slip and slide. I made it alive. Good morning. It is 7 a.m. and look how dark it is. It rained all night. Heavy rain. It's not raining too hard right now, but I hope it stops soon because I have to get up and pack and leave. So wet. This held up. It didn't go anywhere. Oh yeah. Taking this down and putting it away will be fun.
Can all y'all take your Dramamine? That is Creature Cavern down there. 28 feet down, leaking out about half a million gallons of water every hour. I'm not fond of them, but it's not because they're violent or vicious, because they're not. The cormorant has a hook beak like a seagull. These purple bottle brush flowers you see right there, those things are called pickerel weed. And the red ones, there's a few of in there, those have a Latin name, so you do something personal. The birds in the trees, they are the unhinged cormorant. We let a lot of wind destroy the nest.